Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can quick react on the messenger. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your messenger app and logged into your account with the Facebook account, so you will never miss up any updates from here. So that's it. Open up the chat. There you want to change the quick react or like create the quick react. So as you can see over here at the bottom, you will see bunch of options over here like plus icon, camera icon, or photos and mic over here. But in below this you will see a chat option over here, or like typing option over here, and then you will see emoji over here. Whenever you click on emoji, you will see over here gifts over here, or like the stickers over here. So whenever you see over here at the last option a word, so it's a quick reaction over here. Whenever I simply reply to this, hey everyone, welcome. As you can see, I want to reply this chat. So whenever I click on that quick react, it's gonna be pop up like this, and you can simply change this as well. So simply click on that and it's gonna be send it to that person there you want to send. To change this, you have to simply click on the nameplate of your friend, and then you will see customization. In this you will see second option, quick reaction. Click on that, and then you will see over here bunch of emojis over here, or like you can simply choose from here. So if you want to choose it like any other emoji, you have to simply click on that emoji, and then it's gonna be change it to that. And for me, I want to change it like I want to change it by handshake. So whenever you will see over here this quick reaction is changed, so this gonna be like that. And if I want to reply to this, so whenever I click on this, and it's gonna be like handshake quick reactions is send it to that person, and that's it. That's how you can change it or like create it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.